Here's another crucial piece that explains why this pattern is so hard to break: collective programming. There are these massive energetic structures created by groups of people thinking and feeling the same way about something. I call them collective thought patterns. They are fed by millions of people's emotions, experiences, and beliefs. And once they get strong enough, they start to control people rather than the other way around. Take a moment and think about cultural beliefs about relationships. There are massive collective thought patterns around ideas like love is supposed to be hard. You have to work for a good relationship. There is something wrong with you if you're single. Everyone cheats eventually. You can't trust people. Good people finish last. All the good ones are taken. These aren't just ideas, they are energetic structures that millions of people have fed with their emotions, their experiences, their fears, and stories. And these structures actively pull people in, trying to get them to conform to these patterns because that's how they survive, by getting more people to think and feel the same way. When you keep attracting the wrong people, you're usually caught in one of those collective patterns. Maybe it's a familiar pattern. Your parents had a certain type of relationship dynamic, and you unconsciously absorb that as normal. Maybe it's a cultural pattern about what love looks like. Maybe it's a pattern created by past hurts that say, protect yourself by choosing people who can't really reach you. See, these patterns are sneaky because they feel like your own thoughts. They feel like reality. They feel like just the way things are. But they're not. They're just the track you happen to be on, fed by collective pattern you happen to be caught in. And here's the really tricky part. These collective patterns don't want you to leave. They literally feed off your emotional energy. Every time you feel heartbroken, frustrated, angry, disappointed, you're feeding the pattern. You're making it stronger, and it pulls you back in.